that's nice.
I love you, neighbors.
I know you might be a little tired. You don't want to get up. You want to sleep in. You want to lay in your comfortable bed. But I'm telling you, waking up early like at 5 a.m., going to the gym or doing something productive, it's the most fulfilling. You feel great after. It's amazing. So if you can, wake up early, get your butt up, do something productive or something that's going to help you in your day. And trust me, after you get that task done, or even if you wake up this early and you just go for a walk, for a 10-minute walk, trust me, you're gonna feel so much better. Gym time, baby! You heard the title? It's happening. We gotta whip it down, my guy. We gotta.
In today's video, we're changing the hood that we have on Brittany. Now I'm putting on a new style hood. I'm gonna show you guys when I take this one off and why I'm changing it out. I'm honestly super excited.
I've had this hood on this car for quite a long time, probably almost a year. It looks great. It's fully carbon fiber. It goes great with the carbon fiber fenders. The new hood will go much better with the fenders. You guys will see why. It is also gonna be brand new, all nice and clean, so fresh and so clean. Oh, I'm hyped. But if you guys are new here, my name is Danny. This is my it's not twin turbo. This is my single turbo 370Z. Terpski under the car, yes sir.
Reasons why I really like vented carbon fiber hoods, which the new one is going to be vented as well, thankfully, is because my car's turboed, so the heat can really come out of here and there's not gonna be so much heat just in the engine bay. And all the engine components are going to be super hot. All the turbo is behind the car, which helps with the heat a lot. The motor is still going to be running much hotter since it has a lot more horsepower. So this little vent right here, they help a lot.
We got the old hood, and here we got the new one. Hey, we got Josh.
What up?
Hey, Josh. Wait, what's the name of this one?
This is our Alliance Carbon VRS hood. It's our newer style. It's way better design, way better construction. You know, if you're going fast, get this hood. If you're going slow, get that hood. By slow, I mean like under like 140, you know?
Yeah.
If you're going like 160, you're gonna want this hood.
This one looks so much more OEM.
Yeah.
It just looks cleaner.
Yeah.
Like, I love this hood, but I think, I don't know, I'm growing up a little bit. I like this clean look. We are going to be wrapping the hood in a little bit along with the fender, so I think this is just much more OEMs plus type of look.
It's a lot more subtle.
Yeah.
You still get the vents.
Right, and I don't think I've seen like 2Zs with them. Barely anybody. Clean.
The AMS style, it's gonna come like this.
Oh, it's gonna come with this.
Yeah.
So yeah, this one, it goes threaded into. These have like little studs, which are a little flimsy. So yeah, that's a good switch actually.
Yeah.
That's much more sturdy.
Yeah, all our hoods are like that now.
Nice. Are you gonna buy the new Z? What do you think about the new Z?
It's pretty dope. I like it.
Yeah? Are we gonna see new carbon fiber stuff from the Z? Oh,
Yeah, are we?
Oh, 100%.
100%.
I already got parts in the works.
Nice. So if you're gonna get the new Z, Lance Carbon is gonna hook you up with carbon fiber parts. Yeah, the bottoms. That's a different sound.
Solid.
Yeah. Alright, I gotta take this off. You would have to go. Even the underside just looks better. I mean, look at this.
Yeah.
It just looks and feels just much nicer. That's nice.
Oh, yeah.
Nope. Sheesh. Oh, I like these vents much more. It's aggressive enough in a way. The other ones are overly aggressive. These are just right. And they go perfect with the vents. Look at that. Oh, I really like this.
This thing's fast.
It's fun, right?
Oh, yeah. Oh, jeez. Woo!
I can't lie, I don't know how it looks like through pictures, but I'm happy with it. I'm very freaking happy. You guys already know. I'll leave the link in the description if you guys want to go ahead and check it out, because I know you guys always wonder where I buy everything, and you guys know I get all my carbon fiber from Alliance Carbon, so I'll have the link in the description for this. Oh, I'm hyped. Oh man, sheesh. I honestly feel like I've been kind of showing the progress of that building being built throughout the years. And my first ever video on this channel, all this where I'm going through right now, all these roundabouts, that huge building, that huge soccer stadium, none of that existed. Oh, a lot of people have been asking me if I need hood pins or whatnot. Let me show you something. The reason why I haven't ran hood pins on this hood or the previous hood is because we have these two latches right here. A lot of aftermarket hoods do not come with these drilled, but with this hood it already comes drilled, so you just got to get it from your OEM hood, put it on this one, and you got 3 latches. You got these 2 and obviously this one that is an extra latch, just like OEM. Oh dude, Brittany looking fine, girl. Girl, what you eating, girl? What you eating, girl? With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up, share it, show some love on this channel. You guys do. We're almost at 100K, which is truly insane. Ooh, look at that. Look at that.